Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm fine. Hope the same from your side. Northeast people are more beautiful and civilized than others. This is my opinion, what I have seen. You are knowing, I have always been looking forward to visit Northeast India. It is my dream place. So, I was really surprised to see why the people are so good looking in Northeast, with beautiful face, that too beautiful color, fair in color, that too glowing color. I don't know why they are so beautiful. And that is why I think that many times people in other places, they are surprised to see such beautiful people. That is why just yesterday I read in the newspaper, a girl from Arunachal Pradesh, or a Arunachal Pradesh girl, was harassed in Indore. Shameful thing. Really, it is totally shame for rest of the India who did this. Shame on to those people who discriminate these innocent people, and they are our own brothers and sisters. They belong to India. Why still people do this kind of things? I don't understand. I think it is because they look more beautiful than the rest of the people. Who knows, is it for that? Whatever happened is a very sad thing. And as an Indian, I want to tell sorry to all the Northeast brothers and sisters. It is not only this girl, even others also have gone through these things. Some feel that they are Chinese, they are Tibetans, they are from Nepal, though they are Indians just like us. We never feel. Why this is? At least nowadays it is becoming a little bit better. Mindset of the people, situation, everything has developed. That is what I personally have seen. Because many of my relatives, friends, we all have visited. Some have visited all the states of Northeast. Some of us visited a few states, but in due course. I too want to visit all the states. Now I have visited only Assam and Meghalaya. I want to visit one after the other all the states of Northeast. I go through, I meet those people. Really, I am surprised. My doubt is why the girls, especially of Northeast, are so good looking. What is the reason? Is it the weather there? It might be weather also, because the weather in Northeast is very cool and very nice. It might be because of the weather, or and mind you, their color I liked a lot. The two glowing color. Not only they are fair, the color is glowing. And moreover, one thing what I have seen, no doubt, I had been there only for 8 days. I might be wrong, I don't know. But among the people whom I saw, no one was having pimple or rash on the face, nothing. Whereas in our place, during these teenage groupers, they get pimples and all. But there I saw the girls with the beautiful, charming faces. I don't know what they use. If you are using anything, just let me know. Share it in the comment box so other people of the mainland will understand it. At least I love your place a lot. And like me, there are some people who love you a lot. Because you are all our own brothers and sisters. Don't think you are different, nothing. If the weather and all, it happens because of the weather. I feel because in the northeast you are having cool, nice weather. That might be. Because if we go to Kerala, Tamil Nadu and all, you can see the color of the people. Why it is? Because it is very hot there. It might be that is why. And but the beauty, the charming, what I can say, beauty on your faces, I liked a lot. I loved a lot. Let me know the reason for that. Now coming back to the incident, what happened yesterday. I feel the girl was good looking. That is why the people tried. If they have tried it, it is not good. Don't do this. And it should not be done to any girl, not only to Northeast, to any girl on this earth, not only Indian or whoever is there. We should not harass anyone. See, when we go there, how nicely they treat us. At least my experience was a very nice experience I had. I told even the ladies who were selling the things on the roadside, they too behaved so well. And honesty, at least I told you, by mistake when I gave more money, when I bought Maggie there, they returned it so honestly. So it is not only they are good looking, their outer, this thing is good, even in their minds, even their hearts, they are very good looking, more civilized. More civilized. No doubt they are having so many problems to face. I know that. Because many of you might be thinking that every time I am talking about the plus point, I know there are problems as well. Mountainous areas, living there, you are knowing the life is not so easy. Moreover, neighboring all foreign countries. And you are knowing we don't have a good neighborhood to India. Let it be Bangladesh, let it be Pakistan, let it be China, Tibet. We don't have neighbors. We should have good neighbors. Then our expenditure on army would have been less. That is what I feel many times. And especially these problems they have to face. Even then, even after facing these challenges, they are very, very happy, very cool, and they maintain themselves very nicely. I feel the weather is very nice there, and that is why the girls, even in general all people, but girls were more good looking. That is what I felt. It might be what I felt. Even gents are also good. I have no complaints about them. But girls with round face, with their glowing colors, not even a single dark-skinned girl I saw in Meghalaya. All are having that glowing color, very beautiful, good looking. So, let me know the reason for your good looks. Have a nice day.